Before the opening bell, U.S. indices they closed up on Tuesday, lifted by shares of commercial and professional services, capital goods, as well as the transportation sectors. While on the U.S. economic front, we first had factory orders increasing 1.1% in September, while durable goods orders they rose 1.9% in the September final read, all as 90% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, we first take a look at shares of Uber and Lyft, which jumped pre-market after having won a California vote that exempt them to employ their drivers. Also, AMD, that's Advanced Micro Devices, upgraded to buy from neutral over at Goldman Sachs, while in terms of expectations today, we do have results due out from a combination of big companies, Qualcomm, MetLife, and Allstate. And on the economic docket today, we still have the release of total vehicle sales throughout the session, while before the opening bell, we have MBA mortgage applications and the 30-year mortgage rate. 9:15 in the morning, we have the release of U.S. private payrolls figures. Then 9:30 in the morning, the release of U.S. exports and imports figures, as well as the balance of trade. Then 10:45 in the morning, yes, there's more data. We have the combination of both market composite and market services PMI reads. 11 o'clock in the morning, the release of ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin intraday. That sees a bullish bias above 33.19, and that's in focus. Even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, the extent should be limited. Long positions above 33.19 are favored, with targets at 33.87 and 34.32 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq intraday, that continues to see a bullish bias above the number of 11,305. This while the Dow Jones also sees a bullish bias, this time above 26,900.